The BEMITON Robot Building Kit offers a versatile 3-in-1 design, allowing children to construct a ninja-shaped battle robot, a tracked motorcycle, or a battle tank. This educational STEM toy enhances children's patience, concentration, hand-eye coordination, logical thinking, and creativity through a combination of building blocks, remote control robots, and app programming. Made from safe and durable ABS plastic, the BEMITON kit ensures a secure and enjoyable experience for children, making it an ideal gift for various occasions. The kit includes easy-to-follow instructions with colorful graphics and step-by-step guidance, helping beginners to start quickly and engage in hours of fun. Featuring independent control of the left and right wheels and a tracked design, the remote control robot can perform a full 360-degree rotation and adapt to various terrains. With 2.4 GHz technology, the BEMITON robot ensures no signal interference during team games, providing an exciting and interactive play experience with friends.